Good morning, guys. First morning in Yerevan. We are at morning cafe to have some good coffee and some breakfast. Lovely weather, something like 20-25 degrees. It is lovely. We're gonna take a nice walk today to look at some First Republic Square and then some market and then some other thing I have forgotten, and then we will visit a restaurant more. So I will make a daily video today. Welcome to Yerevan. My morning coffee, guys. Oh, it tastes good. And my friend's morning coffee.
Very nice.
Lennart said they have not forgot to put coffee in. Yeah, what a great start on day. And I have ordered salmon omelette. It's gonna be delicious. This is my breakfast, guys. Oh, it looks good. And here's Lennart's breakfast.
Nice and warm.
Yeah, chicken and cheese it looks like.
Ham and cheese.
Ham and cheese. Smoked salmon and scrambled eggs, my favorite.